mount your camera on a tripod. You can use portrait mode, okay? Then after that, you can now walk in, all right? So walking, you can be doing anything. I acted here as if I'm answering call, all right? You can do the same too, or you do anything. At the point you look as if somebody just entered suddenly, then you look at the person and continue with what you are doing. Then at a point, you know, maybe the person started doing abnormal thing, you look at the person, then you run away in shock. Then after that, you can now walk out, all right? Then you are returning back. Then you come back for the second time. Okay, look at it now. Then you make a stand, all right? Do as if you are looking at somebody, all right? Stand for some time. Then after that now, you are going to be walking out for the second time. Remember, you are recording 3 videos here in one clip. As you walk out now, then you go and pull that clothes you wear, then clip it together, look at it. Then you come and stand at one side of the camera. Then you drop the clothes, okay? After that, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project. Import your video to workspace now. Click on the video and go and locate volume, okay? Click on volume, reduce it to 0. Mark on that good and go back, alright? Then we want to mark out our empty background for this video. Click here and make a split now. Then you go and look for overlay. Locate overlay. Click overlay now. You click on the video and drag it to the beginning of this background, alright? You click on the background, look for freeze, alright? Locate freeze. Click on freeze now. Click on freeze. Click on the freeze layer and drag it. Drag it to the duration of the video. Then you come back now. So at this point, we are going to be cutting this overlay clip now, alright? So you adjust to that place where you ran away. This place now. You make a split. You click on the video and make a split. Drag this one and drag it to the beginning of the video. Now we have 3 layers, alright? We have 3 layers now, okay? Then let's locate where we want this one to start from, which is the 3rd layer now, right? Click on it, make a split. Click on it, make a split. Delete this first part. Click on this one and drag it, alright? So you want to click it now and go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG auto removal. Allow it to remove completely now, alright? Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Can give us thumbs up if you like what we are doing, alright? Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, okay? Welcome to the tutorial now. We are still on removing BG, okay? You allow it to remove. Now it has removed completely. Mark on that good and go back. So at this point, click on this 3rd layer and drag it back, alright? Then you take time, just calm down and do your necessary adjustments. Then after that, we want to be locating another place. That place, the 2nd place, not here now. The other side where you turn to look at the character for the 2nd time, okay? Allow the video to play to that place. Where this place, immediately you turn to look at the character. You will click on the video and go and locate mask, okay? Click on the video now. Go and locate mask, guys. Locate mask. Alright? Click on mask. Click on mask now. Click on mask. Click on horizontal. Then you turn this line the other way around. Okay, turn it. After turning it, you adjust it the way it's going to be. Then you drag it up. Drag this line up now. After adjusting it, drag the line up. Alright? After you drag the line up, we are going to be adding keyframe here now, alright? Add keyframe. Then as you are adjusting the video, you are dragging the line down. Look at what I am going to be doing now. You drag the video, you drag the line down. You drag the video, you drag the line down. You adjust the video, you drag the line, finish now, alright? Look at what I'm going to be. Good. So at this point now, let's mark on that good and go back. Let's see how the video look. All right. This is good. So at this point, at this last keyframe now, click there and make a split. All right, make a split at the third layer. Then you delete that last part. We don't need it again. So you'll be clicking on add overlay here. Click on add overlay. Import this other video. All right, import this one. So import it, you make it to fit the screen. Then you go and locate, look at, as the cloth is falling down, immediately your hand goes out from the scene. Click on the video and make a split. You delete this first part. Delete it. Then click on this one and take it to your third layer, to your video, this place. Align it with this one now. After aligning it, then you come and click on the video. Look at it. Then click on the video now and go and locate mask for the second time. Locate mask for the second time, guys. Locate mask. Click on mask. All right, click on mask. Look at mask. Then click on it. Click on circle. Then come and circle this cloth. All right, circle it. After circling it now, you want to play with that feather icon there. All right, just play with it. Adjust the feather icon a little bit. All right, after you are done, you mark on that good and go back. Okay, after adjusting the feather icon, mark on this good here and go back. All right, so let's see how the video look now. Good. So you want to click on this last layer now. Click on it, then adjust that cloth because that is where the character is standing. All right, you adjust it there. Good. Because that is where the character stand. So at this point now, we want to play the video from the beginning. Let us see what we have got. Just calm down and play the video from the beginning. Let's see what we have got. Okay, just calm down. As you are playing it, you take time. If there are adjustments to make, you make your necessary adjustments. But after playing it and you see that the video is ready, you can now go ahead and export. Good. So this is good. So click here, click at the end here, make a split. Click this one, make a split. Okay, make a split. Click the background, make a split. Delete the background. Click this one, delete it. All right, so at this point now, this our video is ready. What will be remaining here is to add your sound effect, your light effect, as the case may be. And after adding those things, you can now export your video to your gallery and share it to your social media handles. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry, my number is at the description of this video. Go and DM me, then I'll put you through on how to add your necessary effects. But there is another thing you need to know about this video. Remember, you use auto remove BG, which is a pro features. If you try to export this video now, you cannot be able to export it. But in one of my video there, I've recorded on how to use CapCut Pro features for free. So go and watch that video. Learn how to export your video with ease. Then you come and export your video and share it to your social media handles. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Okay, locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. I will see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.